Hi everyone, this is your girl the plus size Kia B and welcome back. My baby is making so much noise. Oh please. Jace, cut the TV down! And my nails, don't mind the nail. Well, the polish. I had a rough weekend. So yeah, my little brother's birthday turned up. It was okay. It wasn't bad. It's just when it's new people, it's just like, I mean, I'm very social, but like when people just come and eat your food and leave.
Oh no, you didn't!
Like that's a problem for me. That's a problem. Like I do not like that. That's like a pet peeve to me. But anyways, it's a whole nother story. Let's get to this video. So as you can see, new hair. Who's this? This hair I have in my head actually wore all weekend. My little brother turned up. It was nice, but like I said, it was because of the little girls that was there. It was just like a, I don't know, like, it was okay. But anyways, this hair I have in my head is by Joedir, and it came in a box like this, and I ordered it off of Amazon, you guys. Amazon, yes. This is actually my second time ordering a wig off of Amazon, and yes, this is synthetic. This is a synthetic wig. The first wig that I ordered off of Amazon was the pink wig. Go check out that video. It was the featureless wig, and I actually hello, that wig for my little my other little brother's gender reveal, and yes, they had the baby. They had the baby August 18th, and her name is Eden. So congrats to them, congrats to me for being the first time on, and yeah, I'm hella excited. I just can't wait till she gets older, because like she's at, you know, she's still newborn. All they do is shit and sleep. I mean, we can't have our girl talk right now, you know. She gonna have to catch me when she get about 6 months or so. Then it's on the poppin'. But anyways, this wig is by Joedir. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. It's Joedir, Joedir. I don't know, but yeah, this is the packaging. It's pretty cute. It's like a electric type packaging. It's just a regular box. It says Joedir right here in the logo. In the corner right here, it basically says, let me move my nail because my nail is a hot mess. It says the like what kind of wig it is, and basically this is 26 inches of hair, you guys. 26 inches is the big curly 26 inch, and the density of this wig is 180. I will make sure, like, I don't remember every description of this wig, so I will make sure that I will include that in this video. This wig was actually $49 on Amazon, and I ordered it on the 24th. It came on the 26th, so Prime 2-day shipping. Everything was fine, you know. I didn't have no problems. When I received the wig, the curls didn't look like this. I will say that when I received the wig, the look did. See how it's getting see, I've been wearing it the whole weekend, and like certain parts are a little natty. I just wanted to give y'all like a real review on a wig. Like, I actually wore the wig the whole weekend. I slept in it like that. I think I slept in it that Saturday, I believe. And yeah, I want to give y'all like a real good review on the wig and how well did the wig hold out. And as you can see by me sleeping with it, it didn't really do much damage. The only thing I would say about this wig is that it gets knotty in the back, and that's because it's 26 inches of hair, and it is hot, you guys. Expect it to get knotty in the back. Like, that's just what it is. Now, I would say with this wig, I would keep this wig for fall because this is really like fall hair. This is a lot for summer. I would say these two parts right here, like they're very long layers. So if you don't like stuff like this, like it will look like this sometimes, but you just have to do it like that. But then I feel like you can layer it. Like I feel like with this part you can just cut it, like layer it a little. But other than that, this is really a pretty wig. And what I used is, look, this is a realistic video because it still got hair in it. I just do like this and I just comb it. As you can see, it's very soft. This wig, I'm just gonna come closer. It's a very soft wig, and as you can see and really look, it doesn't give off that synthetic look, like as far as it being real shiny. I don't like real shiny wigs because that gives off synthetic look. Like this looks like human hair. This looks like I went got some bundles, you know, and by being 100 and freaking 80% density, this look like bundles, y'all. This really look like bundles. I was shocked what I got inside the box because it made it look like this was real human wig. Like Joedir really did their thing. So it came with some matte colored eyelash. So it came with some eyelashes. I don't know if these are real MAC ones, but they came with it. And it came with this, which is like a headband that you use when you secure the wig. If you want to do your baby hairs, because again, this wig does come with baby hairs. I'm just letting y'all know. So for the baby hair lovers, you can put your baby hairs in it because it is baby haired. It does have baby hair, and you just use that and just put it like that. Wait, and then your baby hairs is on the popping. So yeah, so that's a good thing. And it also came with a stocking cap, and the stocking cap came in this little thing, which is so cute too. What happened? Oh. Okay, so that's really all that came in there, and I really like it. The lace, they say, is I think they say it's like free space or something, or lace, I don't know, but the lace on it is pretty good. I'm just gonna come a little closer. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. But the lace on it is pretty well, which I like. Like if I was wearing it like this, of course I would get the flat iron and I would flatten it. I just put it on right quick, y'all, to just give y'all I had to give y'all an honest review on it because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to give y'all honest reviews. I love y'all so much. And just sitting here, I'm gonna just like try to comb it out. And as you can see, it comes out really well. It comes out really well. But see, you have to know how to handle synthetic wig. Now, if you're not really used to a synthetic wig, I suggest you don't get one this long. Start off with a bob, because that's what I did when I first started off doing synthetic wigs. Start off with a bob, and then from a bob, go from there. And I learned pretty fast how to take care of my synthetic wigs. Like this wig look bomb. Just look how it's just sitting. Like this wig is bomb. This wig is really bomb. I really love this wig. I love the oh my gosh, my baby hair is just, that was up. I love the parting of it. It gives you a lot of parting space, rather. It's very soft hair. I really like the fact that it's very soft. I just love it. I really do. This is a very good wig. And for the price, it was not bad at all. It was not bad at all. And for 26 inches, I feel like this is not bad. You can wear this for a wedding. I feel like this is birthday hair. I feel like anybody could really rock this hair. This hair is very affordable, and it's for people that, you know, you tight budget. Why not get a good wig? And that's why I do these type of videos, and I feel like I need to start doing more of these type of videos because they have a lot of affordable wigs that are very, very reasonable in price. Like this wig is $50. It don't even look like it's a $50 wig. Like, come on now. Like, this is a bomb ass wig. Like, it's really a good wig. All I need to do, like, is just get the flat iron and get the curling and just flatten the top part. But other than that, like, you can just look at the wig itself. This is a very good custom wig. Like, this is a bomb wig, and the price, you really can't beat it. You really cannot beat the price of this wig. So it holds up. It held up pretty well. Like I said, the only thing is it's a little nape in the back, but not really. Like, let me see that in the back, like right there. Like, everything is gonna be good. You're gonna feel better. Your pockets are gonna feel much better by you getting a cheaper wig. But I definitely would get another wig from Joedir. I like Joedir. Please, Joedir. Yeah, y'all gonna have to let me know. Let me stop. Y'all definitely check them out. I really like their wigs. This is my first wig from them. I definitely be getting another one from them. So I really enjoyed it. And yeah, you guys, so what you think my next video should be? What you think? Like, I don't know what my next video should be. But just leave in the comment box, you guys, like, what y'all want to see from me. What more videos that y'all what more videos you want to see. I keep on saying the same thing. Like, girl, why is you repeating yourself? We heard you the first time. Like, girl. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment. Just do what y'all do. Do y'all thing. And I'm gonna do my thing. Y'all do y'all thing, I'm gonna do my thing. So thanks, babes, for watching this video. And have a good one.